Hey guys, so I wanted to do another little quick video. I know in the past videos I said, or maybe I posted it, I don't remember, but I'm gonna try to start doing another small little side series of, besides the crafting, I'm gonna try to do another one of mental health. So I'm gonna try, if you see more of mental health posting on my Instagram or Facebook, that's why. But also just emphasizing like what I've been through. I do deal with anxiety, so I'm learning to adjust with it and use other techniques and basically manage my mental health. Stay tuned guys, and I hope you guys like it, and be sure to comment below if you're going through it or you're having a hard time. Feel free to reach out to me. I don't mind messaging you guys, as long as it's not some crazy message, but as long as you guys need a friend or something, I'm here to help you. Hey y'all, it's KraftsbyJazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.